here. We're back with the viral Miniverse Make It Mini Food Craft Ball that I've seen all over the internet. We're back with it today. I filmed a video of me opening it and giving you my brutally honest opinion. So check that out if you haven't. But today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna open one of these up and make real food in real life of whatever is inside one of these balls. So I got 3 options in front of me. Let's pick one. All right, which one will it be? I'm gonna go with the middle because the middle one's always the best. So whatever's in this, we're gonna make it in real life. Time to unbox it. For some reason, there's 3 wrapping on the outside of this. I don't know why, so we're just gonna speed through it. It's definitely a waste of plastic in my opinion. So we have all of these blind bags that's inside. We're gonna put together the table and put the placemat on. And then we're going to open these up. I wonder what one we're going to get. I'm super excited. Okay, so we have a plate. Bananas. What is going to be made with bananas? Let's see what else. Our other clue is blueberries. Okay, blueberries and bananas. What is this? Oh my goodness, it's French toast. Okay, so we're making some kind of French toast with blueberries and banana. And of course, we have the syrup. Lastly, we have this giant bag with this teeny tiny little fork. I feel like it could be smaller. Anyways, this is everything that came out of the mini ball. All right, let's go to the grocery store and get everything we need to make blueberries and banana French toast. Here I am at the store. We're going to need bananas and then French toast. It smells so good. There's syrup and also blueberries. I'm back home now and I just want to compare all of my minis with the regular size item. And oh my goodness, isn't everything just so cute? I am in love with this DIY idea. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's make the mini first. Here we have our instructions. It's easy enough. Easy steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna put our plate on and of course open up our French toast. They are so cute. Putting it on here. Then I'm going to add my syrup. This is kind of hard to open, so I know from last time to use scissors to poke a hole. And I'm going to squeeze the syrup on top of these mini French toast. It is kind of hard to squeeze out of the bottle, just an FYI. Next, I'm going to add our cute mini bananas. Definitely have to use these tongs to put them on there because they're so teeny tiny. And then we're going to add our blueberries. They're so cute and they really look like mini blueberries. They did such a good job making these minis. It is kind of hard to put them all in here, so I'm just gonna put them on and then move them around to my liking. Next up, I'm going to cheat and put it underneath this UV lamp, and voila, we have our mini blueberries and banana French toast. Oh my goodness, so cute. But you know what? My stomach was rumbling while I was making that. And now I'm getting so hungry because I smell this French toast bread. I didn't know that they make bread like already made like this and all you have to do is toast it. I had no idea. I thought they were gonna come frozen, but found these at the grocery store. Let's go ahead and make our food in real life. Now time for the real food. I'm excited because I'm getting kind of hungry. First up, chopping up the bananas. So good. Okay, next up, can't talk with my mouth full. Let's toast the French toast bread. The smell, oh my gosh, so good. It's like heaven in a bag. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 pieces out. It smells so good. So we're gonna put it in our toaster. And 1, 2. We're going to press it down and we're gonna wait. All right, it popped up and it's nice. Toasty, smells good. We're just gonna plate it. I'm actually gonna try to arrange it like this to my best ability. We're just gonna turn this toast and put this one on top. I mean, I guess that looks like it. All right, time to add the bananas and the blueberries. Put that there for reference. So definitely gotta use my tongs to put the bananas on just like the video, but for the blueberries, it's kind of tough, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh well, kind of cheated. Gotta say, I'm quite proud of myself. I think it looks kind of similar to this. Now it's time for the best part, the syrup. Actually, the second to best part, because the best part is eating it, you guys. All right, and I'm just gonna like drizzle this on top. It smells so delicious. I'm so excited to eat it, but I'm so proud of myself. I successfully made this mini one and didn't run out of resin. And then I made this real life version and it looks pretty similar to, I must say, pat myself on the back. And now it's time to enjoy my food. Tiny fork check, big fork check. Leave a comment down below to let me know which one you prefer, the mini one or the big one. I'm just gonna go ahead and taste the big one now. Bon appetit. That was so good. I'm taking another bite. Like, this French toast bread is like so delicious. Thumbs up, you guys. All right, gotta finish chewing. That's the end of today's video. I'm gonna go and enjoy my French toast. You guys leave a comment down below to let me know if I should do more mini food versus real life food, or what other videos you guys suggest. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official. Always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!